to Jacksonville, Illinois.
We're excited to show you around the town that we love.
As the president of the Jacksonville Area Chamber of Commerce, I work every day to ensure our businesses stay strong. Jacksonville is a small community of about 20,000, located in the heart of Illinois. We have a rich history spanning more than 185 years, steeped in education, farming, and commerce.
My role as the Executive Director of the Jacksonville Area Convention and Visitors Bureau is to encourage travel and tourism from beyond the region by marketing and promoting the community and its rich assets.
I'm the Executive Director of Jacksonville Main Street, and we're dedicated to helping our downtown thrive through innovative business partnerships, preservation-friendly improvements, and community programs. Our recent major renovation of downtown Jacksonville has been very successful, driven by our volunteer Main Street organization. The renaissance of our downtown square has transformed the life of Jacksonville and won us a Great American Main Street Award.
I am the president of the Jacksonville Regional Economic Development Corporation, and our mission is to ensure the economic health of this region through manufacturing and commercial business. We are proud of our beautiful neighborhoods of tree-lined streets, all within walking distance of a revitalized downtown. We also have national retail, Fortune 500 businesses, and a strong manufacturing base that adds to our economic vitality. But we realize there's more work to be done. The four of us have a vested interest in making our town stronger.
One of the oldest cities in the land of Lincoln, Jacksonville is home to the state's first college, first public high school, schools for the visually impaired and the deaf. Known as the Athens of the West, we have 2 liberal arts colleges and a community college located in Jacksonville.
As you can see while driving through our town, we are a community steeped in history. Many of our neighborhoods are in pristine condition, and most of the 700 properties in our National Register Historic District have been lovingly cared for since they were built over a century ago.
As we approach our downtown square, I want to point out that urban renewal of the 1970s had rendered traffic around our downtown almost impossible. We had a lot of empty storefronts, and this area was once avoided. After years of hard work and collaboration with Jacksonville leaders, we removed quad buildings, canopies, updated facades, added trees, benches, murals, and more to make this area the place to be, whether as a business owner or a community member.
New small business owners and entrepreneurs have become more interested in setting up shop in Jacksonville after this central business district was developed. It has become a destination for shoppers, diners, and festival goers. But as we head further east beyond the square, you will notice there are many buildings that need some love. For instance, a community member recently purchased this property just prior to it being razed. Underneath that ugly black shell is the building's original limestone structure.
The City of Jacksonville has plans to update the streetscape and utilities on this side of the square as they did the others. But the funding will only go so far. An added effort to maintain the historical integrity of these properties is what we need your help to achieve.
Also, check out this former movie theater that currently sits empty. Imagine the possibilities.
In my work, we hear a lot about inclusive economic development. Jacksonville is in a better position for development if we improve the quality of life for all areas of our community. As we drive down one of our main thoroughfares, you can see these historic homes are not in the same condition as some of the beautiful homes on the west side of our town.
I agree, Kristen. As we work to bring more tourism to our community, we have to be more aware of how visitors see Jacksonville when they visit. Can you imagine how much more positive Jacksonville might be perceived if we could help those owners give their properties a fresh look?
There is no doubt all 4 of us are committed to the future of Jacksonville. We work closely with our local government and business leaders to maintain and improve our town, but we are looking for a new perspective to help us update our vision.
Yes, we've accomplished a lot in the last decade, but we are excited for new expertise and encouragement.
And this is why we think Hometown Takeover is the perfect program to build on the good things we already have going on in Jacksonville.
Ben and Aaron, we know Jacksonville is the kind of community with which you will fall in love. Our historic areas of town have major potential to improve the quality of life for our community.
And we have so many community members who are dedicated to doing this every day. We know they would jump at the chance to help your efforts.
As a former interior designer and preservationist at heart, I know you both have the expertise and passion to make tremendous, authentic updates to our community.
Thank you for your consideration, and we hope we get to meet you in person in Jacksonville, Illinois. Will you please take over our hometown?